We understand that purchasing an RV is a major decision for you and your family. Whether you're going to live full-time in your RV, use it for job site living, or you just want to travel, we have the perfect RV for you.
We are a family-owned business. How's that important to you? I'm here every day. My wife's here every day. My daughter's here every day. We're here to take care of you. In the buy here, pay here space, most dealerships are a gravel lot with a trailer people work out of. At RV Depot, we have a 39,000 square foot facility with 30,000 square feet of service. At most RV dealerships, they have 30, 40 units, and they try to push you in the ones they have. We carry around 475 RVs at all times, so we have something for everybody. One person might need an office inside their RV. Another one needs a bunkhouse. We have all that. 95% of all of our customers live in their RV. We thrive in that space. We let you take your trailer wherever you want, whether you're a traveling nurse or you work in the oil fields.
People choose RV Depot for a friendly, low-pressure buying experience and customer service that's here for you. When you come to RV Depot, we will have a friendly representative ready to help you find the perfect unit. Then go through our quick and easy approval process. Then you drive away a happy camper. At RV Depot, you will find financing for all credit types. We have in-house financing if you're looking to rebuild your credit, and we have bank financing if you have great credit. Since we report to the credit bureaus, you can become an RV owner while rebuilding your credit.
At RV Depot, you're more than just a number. You are part of the family. We work with you. We understand that things come up. We're there to help you. We just want good people. We want to take care of them.
To get the process started, fill out our no-risk 1-minute application, or simply give us a call, 817-460-4646.